In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation with Canva AI step by step so you can turn a simple idea into a complete slide deck in just a few minutes. This is a super useful feature if you want to save time, brainstorm faster, or create a polished presentation without starting from scratch. Whether you need slides for school, business, content creation, or a quick pitch, Canva AI can help you build the structure and content automatically. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Canva AI. This is where Canva's AI tools are located, and it's the starting point for generating content with artificial intelligence. After clicking Canva AI, you'll see different options appear. From there, click on the design option. This tells Canva that you want help creating a visual layout, not just text or another type of AI output. Next, select presentation. This is an important step because it tells Canva that you want a full presentation format with multiple slides organized in a slide deck. Once you've selected presentation, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe what kind of presentation you want. This is where you type your idea, topic, or subject. For example, you could ask for a marketing presentation, a lesson on a specific topic, a business pitch, or an educational slide deck. Be as clear as you can with your prompt, because the more specific your request is, the better the results will usually be. After typing your prompt, send it and let Canva process the request. At this stage, Canva AI will start preparing the slide content for you. It may take a moment, so just wait while it generates the outline, text, and overall structure of the presentation. This is the part where Canva does the heavy lifting and builds the foundation for your slides automatically. Once the content is ready, you'll see an option to generate slides. Click Generate Slides, and Canva will turn the AI-generated content into a full presentation layout. From there, you can review each slide, make edits, change the design, update the text, and customize the presentation to fit your style or brand. You can also add your own images, colors, animations, and extra details if you want to make it look more professional. The great thing about this process is that it gives you a strong starting point very quickly, so instead of spending hours creating each slide manually, you can focus on refining the final result. And that's it, you now know how to create a presentation with Canva AI in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel for even more helpful Canva tips and AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.